Hi everybody, it's Rita here from M5 Property Addicts. So I thought I'll give you guys a bit of an update at one of our student accommodations here in Belleville. And this one is it's two houses. Just a recap for people that don't know, it's two houses on two stand next to each other, but basically the wall has been removed in between. So we are renovating, extending it so that we can put some students in. The one house is going to have 16 students, the other one about 18, and then we also have an option to build a second floor, and then we can add another 8 students. So that's awesome news for us, which was a little bit of a surprise, which we didn't know we're going to find in the roof, but we were so happy when we got that. So okay, cool. Let me switch it over. So here you see lots of tree trimming that happened this week. It was gardening week, it seems like. And here's the front of the property. There's the one house over there. Here where the line in the paint is, that's the second house. We just closed up the 2 garage doors here. And then this one, the front door. We've got the security guy coming tomorrow, so he's gonna put a keypad in here for access, and this will be the main access into the property. So here's the courtyard, and then that is the little garden area. We'll go there just shortly. So this will be the main entrance to the first house. So in here we started first, but it had a lot of work. We literally had to rip and strip everything in this property, in this specific house. So this was a double garage. So you can still see that's where the 2 entrances were that we closed up. And then we created these windows and those windows on that side. So in here they've put the ceilings in now, and we obviously putting in plug points and that sort of thing as well. There goes our electrician running away. All right, and then in here you come into the kitchen, and as you can see, we're going to be doing 2 washing machines over here, and then your zinc over here. So all the wet stuff is on the right hand side of the kitchen. Got a nice big wall on that side. And on this side we're going to do 2 stove plates, 2 connections for stoves there. We're not going to do ovens, just the plates. And then cupboards and a shelf for all the microwaves and things like that. So this property still has a bit of work to do. And then the hallway. It's a long hallway. So in here, this used to be the old dining room that went directly into the kitchen, but we built this wall here basically, and we created another room. We already put into every room. That's what the electrician's busy doing now. He's putting in prepaid electricity, aftermarket meters into every room. This used to be the old dining room, and we moved that to the double garage in front of the house now. And here we created another bedroom. So that's bedroom number 2. We go down here, and this is the bathroom. Ripped and stripped everything. There used to be a bath and a shower. We're just going to do a shower now, and we'll clean all of that up. In here is bedroom number 3. So this one already has a cupboard. So we just need to do desks and beds and all that there. This was the old main bedroom in the house. So it also has some cupboards that we'll be restoring. Guys are sleeping in there. Security for the place. So that was bedroom number 4, and this one is number 5. This one's a bit of a storeroom for all the extra things that, hello me, hello, that we removed. And then it's bedroom number 4, and this one is bedroom number 5. This is a small room, so it's a single private room with an ensuite bathroom. This also still needs to be redone and retiled and all of that. And then down the hallway, this used to be, let me just reverse a little bit. There used to be a wall. So we broke through the wall and into the unit that was at the back of the property. This was a bathroom. We've now taken that out, and the main bathroom, which was huge, we changed into 2 separate bathrooms. So they just closed up the big window at the back there, and in here we're going to have a shower running wall to wall with a toilet, I think, on this side and a basin on the other side. And then right next to it, a carbon copy of the other side, where you will also have the bathroom, the shower, basin and toilet on that side. Right, then we move into the back of the house. So we put in a fire escape, whatever, back door over there. And these doors are locked. There's people staying in here, but this is another 2 bedrooms across the hallway from each other. And this used to be the old kitchen in the place. We took all of that kitchen cupboards out, and you'll also notice that most of the rooms have an aircon in it, which is the other reason I'm putting in prepaid everywhere. So in here you'll see that's a kitchen that's becoming a bedroom now, and here's another bedroom. I don't know, I lost count of the bedrooms. I think there's 9 or 10 in this house. Well, it's 18 students, so there's definitely 9, I know that. And then 1 bedroom, so I guess that'll make it 10, yeah. Anyway, whatever, it's a lot. I've got it recorded somewhere. All right, so this is the courtyard from the back, and you can see they've trimmed the trees nicely. This was a big bush over here, huge bush. They've trimmed the trees and cut the grass, and it's looking nice. I'm going to put some benches over here for people to be able to sit outside and enjoy the sun a little bit. And then we go around the house. So I'm going to go in from the middle. Hello! It's a big plumbing situation happening there. So we're busy, started painting the outside of the house now as well. That's the garage there, which is an entrance for everybody to park at the back. And this house, I asked to have it delivered to me, done and dusted, everything by this weekend. So 4 days to go, and then then I'm putting furniture, and we're going Airbnb from the 1st of December. So we ordered all the furniture today, and that should be arriving within the next 2-3 days or so. This is going to be the kitchen. So yeah, we're going to have on this side, so there's 1, 2 plumbing points for the washing with a plug over there, and that's going to be the big double basin on that side, so all the wet works on that wall. And on this side we're going to have 2 stove plates there, and then we'll have a tabletop whatever with some cupboards underneath, and a microwave and whatever on top over there, so they can put some microwaves up there. So we're going to the left first. This room is actually completely done. We're keeping the carpet for now. It's not in a very bad state. We'll just have it a little bit deep cleaned and all that. But this room is basically done. Nicely painted, everything. And then we're doing a the guys are using this back room a little bit as a storeroom, but it has been painted and everything, so it's just going to need a bit of a clean up and that. Hi guys, say hi to YouTube. So the guys have been busy here. We basically changing this bathroom into a double bathroom. So we ordered all the shower doors and all that. And then at the back, let me see if I can show you. There's 2 toilets there at the back. We're going to put a wall in between, drywall. You can see how they measured it out with some doors, etc. So, and the 2 basins over there. So that's going to be done as well. So going to the front of the house is where the kitchen was. Put a nice new aluminium door in here. This door was completely rotten, so we had to get a proper door done, otherwise it would just, if it was wooden, it's totally exposed. This is another little storeroom area that the guys are using, halfway painted. And then we're going to the front of the house. So first of all, there's this bathroom was like this, exactly like this, except we're coming through here with some plumbing. And on this side, this used to be a little kitchen. So this is a big mess at the moment because we are changing this into a bathroom actually. It's going to have a shower in the corner there, and the toilet is over there underneath that black thing over there. Here's another room. This one has been completed, the floors sealed, very nicely done. I love the grey walls with the white trim. It looks amazing. Of course, my student manager that's managing the place is not very impressed with me. She says the white is going to mess, but you know, I figured it's washable, right? We're using washable paint, so I had to make it look pretty, okay? And then there's another one, completely done. The ceiling was molded badly, so this is opened up now, or cleaned up. I can't go in here, there's a board over here, but this floor is also done. This room is completely done. This is going to be a quiet room for both houses where the guys can, we're going to put in desks, etc., where they can come and study, so we don't have to have desks in all the rooms. And then here is another big room. It's probably big enough for 3, but we'll put 2 people in there. And then going to the front, there's a smaller room over here. This will probably just be 1 person. I'll be staying in here. And long term, as in the next couple of months, maybe by April, we're going to close this up. I'm going to put a door here where the wall is just here. Where's my finger? There. Right here in front. And then this will become a unit by itself. So you can have this as the bedroom with its own entrance over there. And then we will have, we will make this, which is right now earmarked for a 1 bed bedroom. We're going to put a wall there in between, like there, and that side will become a kitchenette, and that side a shower, toilet, basin, like in the other house. And then we will have it a standalone unit for 2 people, and we can charge almost double for that. Uh-oh, you see my footprints. I made footprints. Well, apparently it's dry, so it's just dusty, I'm hoping. Anyway, I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this. I'm hoping you enjoyed it and you can see what the place is all about. I'm hoping to squeeze in as soon as the furniture is here, see if I can do early December, a little show and tell for you guys, and you can come out and have a look at the place. and just see what it looks like. We're also going to be launching a service soon where we will be managing student accommodation for you, turnkey. It's your house, but we'll come in, we'll set it up, we will do everything for you, get the students, get the leases, manage the properties, everything. So I'm hoping to help some aspiring investors that wants to get into student accommodation, but that's too scared of students to get into it, and also to share in the profits, or the whatever you want to call it, from that. So yeah, so watch out for that. We'll be launching that soon. It's not available yet. We're busy setting up the legal structures and what, and then soon you'll be able to get that service as well. So guys, this is Rita signing out. Bye.